There's a name that shakes the heavens, a name that terrifies darkness and silences every storm. It is not a name given by men, it is the name above every other name. When I whisper it, peace answers. When I declare it, power responds. For in that name, the blind see, the lost are found, and the gates of hell bow in surrender. The name of Jesus, the Word made flesh, the King of all kings. His name is not a sound, it's a realm. When I call him, I enter that realm. Demons flee, chains fall, sickness dries up, and joy returns. Because his name is authority clothed in mercy. So I speak his name over every storm, every pain, every fear. Jesus, let your name echo through my life. Let it reign through the nations until every tongue confesses and every heart remembers. There is no other name like yours. The name of Jesus. Power, presence, salvation, forever. Type Jesus, let him hear you.